day 3.
Ayan, good morning mga ka-daily. It's our day 3 and we'll be heading home today. And we're just gonna prepare breakfast and then
We're going home.
we're gonna pack up. Alright, we'll keep you guys posted in a bit. Agang-aga, naglalaro na kagad. My goodness. Katol is life. Breakfast muna mga itlog. Ayan. Ito lang yung vacancy. Good morning, Mama Heidi. Hindi natin yung sa camera to. And then mahaba-habang likpitan to. Open the window, please.
Okay. Pacey! Stop!
Are you guys cleaning up?
Yeah.
Let's see. Yun, naglilinis na mga itlog. Come on, hurry up. Ano yan?
Rocks.
No, let's go, Paige.
I'm not an itlog.
Let's go mga itlog. Yeah, you guys are
For
my
the last
itlog.
time, I'm not. Oh, see you look like I'm round.
Let's go. Let's go. Yan. I think we're 45% all packed up. Plano yung gazebo natin. Put it in there. And then tiklopin na lang ang tent, pati yung mga laman sa loob, tiklop na din. And we're almost there. Ayun daw ang star boy ng Daily 5 TV.
Don't look at me.
And bunutin na natin yung stick natin para sa mga katol. And we're gonna load it up. Maybe 1 more hour and we're good to go. Pearl is loaded. Oh my god. Hirap. Sana secured yung tali na. Yeah. No, why? Oh my god. Katapos kong i-load, kinakalimutan daw. Binaba ko na naman. Bayan. Pawis na ako. Ano, so tataas ko na naman. Tapos yung isang maliit na bata doon, uy, lumilipad yung mga abo dito. That's enough.
Fire!
Fire ka ng fire? My god. Riley, enough. Gusto.
Hi mga ka-daily.
Oh, who you wanna give a shout out to? Huh?
Shout out to
Gianfranco.
Mama Presti.
Oh, yun. Alright. And then dinidismantle na natin yung tent natin. So we're 75% finished. Alright.
Okay, we can start. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, na-fold na natin ang tent. Lagay na lang sa box. Perla is almost loaded. Yung special cargo natin nasa likod na yung tatlo. Yan yung mga special cargo natin. Naka-ready na mga cargo
Don't
natin.
keep on opening the door. But there's a fish there.
Okay. Ang aking mga itlog. Alright, here we go. Yeah, we're finally done. We are ready to go. Iihilang sila. Just gonna throw the garbage. Sarado na natin si Perla and we're good to go. Yo! Here we go. Guys ready?
Yeah!
Alright, let's go. Lalabas yan. Yan. Tatapan na muna tayo ng basura natin. Naka-lock siya kasi baka may mga bear at night time. You know, palungkotin yung garbage. So dito yung garbage. Yung empty propane canister. Okay. Ito yung garbage. Oh, you want to put the empty canister over there in propane? Right. So nakalock siya, as you can see. Then you open this and you put the garbage in. You.
Babagsak lang, Han?
Yeah, just propane natin. See? Lock. And then yung mga empty propane, recycled bin or anything like that. Alright. Let's go and check out. Yeah, naka-check out na tayo and we're on our way home. Alright. Kadili, we end up in a small town called Berks. Pagkasalunan tayo dito kasi Shell palagi tinitake natin, and dito lang yung Shell. It's a very small town. We've been driving tayo for an hour now, an hour and a half, something like that. And then makakita ko ng Tim Hortons malapit sa highway, so we're gonna go eat lunch in Tim Hortons. Yeah. Small town. Mga ka-daily, we're in Tim Hortons. Gising na yung mga itlog, so let's get something to eat in Tim Hortons. Ano, lunch time. Gutom na si Ate Paige. Ito na naman, ako. Ang saya-saya nito dahil nakakain ng pizza. His favorite. Okay ba, Paisy?
Is it good, Ate?
Yan. Yan naman, oh my goodness, saka ate.
Oily, that's too oily. We'll just get
You
Ronaldo
know,
because
dami ng energy, nakapag-lunch na. Alright?
yeah, we're
Let's
all
go
right.
hit the road. Let's go. Yun mga ka-daily, just like that, we are finally home. Yan. Tiring journey, but we made it. So, say bye guys. And tulog pa sila, and we'll see you on our next vlog. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.